Prosecutor in the Delphi murders case is responding to the defense team's request for a new trial.
Richard Allen was convicted last year in the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German in Delphi in 2017. The prosecutor's response includes photos from the crime scene that have never been seen outside of the courtroom. Fox 59's Max Lewis shows us why the prosecutor wants the judge to side with him.
In his court filing, prosecutor Nicholas McClellan included these photos of Libby's cell phone laying in the brush at the crime scene. A defense expert who reviewed an analysis of the phone found that headphones were plugged in and out of the audio jack several hours after the prosecution says the girls were killed and the phone stopped moving, a major blow to the police timeline. But during the trial, a state police investigator suggested that water or dirt could have caused the phone to mistakenly say headphones were plugged in. The photos do show condensation on the screen, and the prosecutor says the defense expert never physically examined the phone and therefore can't rule out water damage.
But the big thing is, are these things true? And you don't find that out until you have a hearing and allow the evidence to be presented.
Attorney John Tompkins is not affiliated with the case, but reviewed the prosecutor's filing. He says one of the biggest issues will likely be the decision early on to move Richard Allen to a state prison for safekeeping, which the defense argues was done without Allen having an attorney present. It was in that prison that Allen suffered a psychotic break and repeatedly confessed to the killings. The prosecution concedes that Allen was originally moved to the prison not because of threats towards his safety, but because the judge at the time said it was because of the public's bloodlust for information and a, quote, toxic and harmful insistence on public information.
A sheriff coming in and saying, we really don't like the fact that there will be a lot of press outside of our jail, so we would like to move this person, isn't an imminent threat of personal harm or danger to anyone.
Finally, the prosecutor argued against any consideration of an alleged confession to the murders made by Ron Logan, who owned the property where the girls' bodies were found. That confession was supposedly made to Logan's prison mate, Ricky Davis, who the prosecutor says failed a polygraph test. But Tompkins says that's not good enough to dismiss it outright.
There is no such thing as a lie detector. It does not exist. Polygraphs are really pseudoscience.
After the initial defense filing, we put in a request to speak with the inmate who Ron Logan supposedly confessed to. The Department of Corrections asked us to send them topics for our interview, which we did. Well, this morning they denied our interview request, citing safety and security concerns, and said no more than that. In the newsroom, I'm Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.
All right, Max, thank you. Meanwhile, Fisher